I've been suffering with this toenail fungus for years. I picked it up in using the shower facilities at an exercise place where I work out, and it came on and just could not get rid of it. I tried all sorts of different things, even stories of soaking your feet in Listerine. Nothing was working.
I've suffered from toenail fungus for a good part of 9 or 10 years. I've tried many other treatments prior to the laser. Those treatments were marginally successful at the very best and never long-term.
I've been suffering from toenail fungus for approximately 8 years. The treatments I have tried is just trying bleach water. No, it was not successful.
I suffered from toenail fungus for almost 20 years. Before the nail treatment, the nails look, really dark gray, almost bordering on black.
We've been treating onychomycosis very successfully with the new ClearSense handpiece.
I find that the benefits of using the ClearSense laser for nail fungus is as follows. The main benefit is the fact that the spot size of the laser has the same consistent temperature from the sides and on the middle and does not have a hot spot. So it's much easier for us to get to the necessary degree temperature to make sure we can get the proper treatment parameters.
In a month, we probably see 30 to 35 patients for onychomycosis. They come in, they get a 10-minute treatment, they put their shoes back on, and they walk out. It's very comfortable.
The treatment, it didn't take long at all. There's a little bit of time spent on each nail by the Sciton laser. I could feel a little warmth that went on, but the Sciton is excellent. It lets them know exactly what they should do and how long they should do it. There was no discomfort. Everything worked beautiful. I felt completely normal the next day. There was no side effects, residual discomfort or anything. I felt nothing.
The day of my first treatment was very non-invasive. All that I felt was maybe a little bit of heat. After the treatment, I didn't feel any differently.
The laser treatments didn't take very long. They're actually kind of a tickly feeling. I didn't have any problems after the procedure. I was able to go do whatever. Right afterwards, there was no pain.
The treatment really was simple and easy. You sit on the couch and they laser it, and sometimes it gets a little warm and you just let them know and it stops immediately. Virtually pain-free. I was able to do anything that I wanted to afterwards. So no, there was no side effects.
I have had some patients see great results even with just one treatment. And then that depends on the severity of the onychomycosis, because some of those toenails have been 10 years with fungus. So depending on the patient, we can see results in 1 to 3 treatments. Some of our patients have very tender toes, and they will notice a huge difference just in one treatment in the comfort of the skin around their toes.
One of the questions that I'm asked by patients is how long the treatment takes. I explain to them that it's generally between 15 to 20 minutes for all 10 nails to be treated properly. I do explain to them that many times it varies based upon their ability to tolerate the heat that is produced. We also use the handpiece itself for clinical monitoring of the temperature, and by using the color-coded scale, we are able easily to see the approximate temperature we're at, so we stay within the proper parameters.
In a week, I could tell that it was looking better, it was feeling better. I could start to see a change in the color of the nail itself, and just the overall health appearance of the nail improved right away. I could tell right away there's an improvement.
The results I've seen have been probably threefold. One, the thickness of the toenail has decreased substantially. The color has changed from yellow to almost a natural color, and the texture of the nail is not near as rough as it was. It's getting to be more natural now.
The nail has gotten lighter, and I've noticed kind of towards the bottom it's gotten a little clearer, so I'm hoping that when it grows out, it's going to look good.
The laser experience has been very easy, and to me it's been calming and gave me more assurance, you know, being able to not have that ugly toenails that I've had before, so it's been a great experience.
We have about an 80% success rate with this, in that patients see good results. Now, we also have patients who are non-compliant with their aftercare of their toes, and that is so important. From what I've seen in the practice, several patients have said they have immediate relief on their toes from this treatment, when before their skin was tender, they had discomfort wearing shoes, and just with one treatment.
I noticed results in the very first treatment that we had. It was excellent. I was very encouraged, and I've been very pleased with the results of what has happened with these treatments with Sciton.
As far as lifestyle changes, I feel a lot more comfortable wearing my flip-flops and going into swimming pools and spas and that sort of thing.
Now they're much lighter, and you know, I'm not afraid to show them in public now.
The treatment did not hinder me from any kind of activity at all. It didn't bother me one bit.
I am extremely pleased with both the quality and the durability of the Sciton laser. With the arm system that is used with the Sciton laser, we have consistent temperature throughout the beam itself, so we do not have hot spots, so it's much easier to maintain and to get to the necessary temperature for treatment.
I would absolutely do the procedure again. I'd absolutely recommend this treatment to other people, and I have recommended it.
I would definitely do the procedure again. I have referred it to family and friends.
I would recommend this. In fact, I did recommend it to my daughter, and she has had good results with it.
I highly recommend this to anybody. This is an excellent treatment. It gets results right away. You're not dealing with old wives' tales. You're not having to do all sorts of bizarre things, standing on your head or rubbing your tummy or something. This works.
I would definitely like to be more confident when my nail grows out to wear flip-flops and cute shoes, open-toe shoes.
Wear flip-flops in the summer, kind of back like when I was younger. It's kind of cool.
Just the other day, I happened to be running around barefoot, and somebody says, "Boy, your feet look tanned." This is the first year in a lot of years that could be said, because I have good tan on my legs and I'd have white feet because I was too embarrassed to take my shoes off. This year I ran around in thongs and flip-flops, had a great time, was not embarrassed, and really pleased with the results.